Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the KB5041592 update failing to install on Windows 11 25H2. First, open Settings and go to System. Then click on Troubleshoot and open Other Troubleshooters. Here, find Windows Update and click Run. This tool will scan your system and automatically fix common update problems. Let it complete and then try installing the update again. Next, disconnect all external devices from your computer. Remove things like USB drives, printers, webcams, and any other accessories. Keep only your mouse and keyboard connected. Sometimes these devices can interrupt the update process. After removing them, restart your PC and try the update again. If the problem still continues, you need to repair system files. Click on the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Now type sfc/scano and press Enter. This will scan and fix corrupted system files. Wait until it reaches 100% and then restart your computer. If nothing works, the most reliable method is manual installation. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5041592, download the version that matches your system, and run the file. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen steps to install the update manually. This method usually works when automatic updates fail. Thanks for watching.